Hey guys, welcome to this other talking head video. This is the second one of the channel now. So in the last one, I kind of mentioned that we would be doing these a little bit more often, maybe monthly. So we're not really doing them monthly, but I figured I'd drop one because the channel reached a great milestone of 1,000 subscribers the other day. So I'm super pumped about that. I think every single one of you that have subscribed to this channel, I never expected it to get here. So from here on, we're just going to be expanding. Um, so I have a few videos coming up. So the more recent one that's going to be coming up soon is going to be 5 beginner automation projects. So I'm going to be going over 5 different projects that I would say would be really good for beginners to take up PowerShell. And then later on in a video series that's going to be released kind of sequentially afterwards, I'm going to be going through each of those projects and solving them in a way that I would see fit. It's not going to be the only solution, but I will solve all of them the way that I would solve it. And then also in the future, we're going to have intermediate projects and advanced projects. I just want to release the beginner ones, get people comfortable with those ones. And then they could watch some of the other videos that are already on the channel and become more and more familiar with all the different aspects of it. And then I will release the intermediate and then the advanced projects, and those are going to go a lot more like API style, GUI style applications. The beginner ones are really just going to be scripts that you kind of launch and run and just kind of see the output and have some different parameters to be able to do things. Also, another video that's going to be coming out super soon is going to be my journey into tech and programming. So I know that that's kind of something people have been a bit curious about. So I'll kind of deep dive into the past and how I got into where I am now. I'm not going to give like any super specific details of where I work or anything like that, but just kind of give a general idea of kind of what I did as a kid, what I did in high school, and then what I did post high school, and the little bit of university that I did, and then all the self-taught route that I went through. Also, I'm thinking about doing a C sharp programming series. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys would like to see C sharp. I enjoy C sharp. I find it kind of relates really well to PowerShell, and you could do a lot of kind of PowerShell C sharp style applications. And we've already got Visual Studio installed with the WPF applications, so I figured that would be a good route to go. Also, there is also the option of going some more Python videos. So I already have some Python videos, but I haven't seen that a lot of people have got a lot of traction on those videos here. There are a lot of great resources for Python, so I figured sticking to C Sharp and PowerShell. But if you guys want to see more Python videos, also let me know down below in the comments, and I will definitely make some of those as well. And of course, there will always be way more PowerShell videos to come in the future. So a lot of the videos from now on are definitely going to be more project-based videos. I've been doing a lot of kind of one-off building on the GUIs, one-off like CSV files or Excel files. So the videos coming up are going to be a lot more project-based, but also all the other videos are going to be purely based on your guys' questions and wants. So every single video, even on this video, let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see, what you guys have questions on. Even if it sounds stupid to you, definitely there's no stupid questions. Leave it down in the comments below. And if I think that a lot of people will benefit from it, I will make a video on it. If it's a fairly straightforward question and a straightforward answer, like very specific situational questions, then I'll probably just answer it directly in the comment section. But if I feel like a lot of people can benefit, I will make a video from that. And then a lot of the other videos that I'm going to be making on, I know that a lot of people have been asking for more REST PS stuff. So we've made a lot of scripts, but a lot of them have just been scripts that we kind of run, and that's kind of it. And then we did a little bit of REST PS where we could create APIs so we can call these commandlets from web interfaces or from C Sharp or Python or any other programming language or other PowerShell scripts without needing the module installed on your computer or anything like that. So we're going to be converting a lot of scripts into REST-PS style applications. So we're going to be creating a lot of APIs with PowerShell in the future. So be on the lookout for that. And of course, the one thing that I mentioned in the last video that I want to end off this video with is the Twitch channel is still coming. I think it would be called the Twitch channel. So I'm thinking about doing like a live Q&A sessions with you guys. So if you guys had questions, you guys could come in to the Twitch channel, ask your question, and then I could answer it live on the feed. Or also if it is like a deeper question where I would need to do some research, I will try to do the research on Twitch. But if it's something that I kind of need to just put in the backlog for you guys and do a little bit more research and then answer you guys with a YouTube video, I will do that. And I'm also thinking about recording those sessions and posting them on this channel as well. So even if you can't make it to the live video, because I realize that Eastern time zone, if you're living on the other side of the world, the time that I'm doing it at might not be the best for you. So I will definitely be posting those here afterwards as well. But obviously, the more people that participate, the better the questions, the more questions and the more answers you guys can get. And also, I'm just thinking about doing a Twitch channel to kind of do some code alongs. So maybe while I'm filming these videos or preparing some of these videos, I'll be doing some coding and just go live on Twitch so you guys can kind of see like the thought process that kind of goes behind some of these projects and some of the struggles that I go through and how I solve them in real time instead of just seeing them on a video where it just seems kind of very, very straightforward and simple. Sometimes I do struggle at some of these parts and I'm scratching my head and trying to figure it out. So I'm thinking posting those live videos, maybe posting those to YouTube, but I'm thinking those ones might just be on Twitch. So definitely keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming pretty soon. I'm thinking maybe making another milestone, maybe 1,500 subscribers. That's when I'm going to start the Twitch channel. So that's going to be for the Twitch channel. And I think that pretty much covers everything that I wanted to let you guys know what's coming. And thank you guys again for the 1,000 subscribers. I am overwhelmed with it. I didn't ever expect it to happen. So I'm super pumped about that. So we're going to see what else we can get. I've made another milestone for myself of 2,000, the 1,500 for the Twitch channel. But I'm just want to see where we go. So if you guys liked this video, drop a comment down below of anything you guys would like to see on the channel, and I will try to make that happen. And then also hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out with the beginner projects for automation, because I think that a lot of people could benefit from those. It might even give you guys some ideas of other things to automate in your guys' systems. So I will see you guys on the next video.